Hi guys, welcome to the session Mohit the site. So in this session, we'll be seeing how we can use Orange to save a model. This will also be a step-by-step tutorial to solve a classification problem using Orange. So we'll be taking the same classification problem, classifying whether predicting the probability of whether someone have diabetics or not. So we have downloaded the data from internet, PIMA database. So I have a set of information available with certain columns like glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, etc. So these will be our features, and based on these features, we'll be reaching on a conclusion whether the patient has the probability of having diabetics or not, which is our outcome. So outcome is basically our target variable. So we also have a few data where we need to test it. So this is a test data. Ideally, it should be 1011. So let's see how we can predict the probability using Orange. Navigating back to Orange. So the first thing we have to do is import the file. So file, you can see here, I'm dragging and dropping. So Orange basically has a lot of functionalities within it. Lot of drag and drop variables are available, rather whether it be model, saving model, or you can see text mining, audio, image analytics, etc. You can try one by one. So back to our problem. So first let's import the file. So as you can see that whatever features we have seen in the Excel is listed out here. So this will be the features and our target will be the outcome where we have two values 0 or 1. So if we think that some feature is not required for the analytic, we can skip the same. So let's take all the features, apply. Let's see if this is getting populated correctly. So we have something called data table here to print the data table. I'm just printing it out. See where all the information is available or not. Yes, we have all the fields as an Excel imported correctly. Let me delete this. Now let's import the second file, which is the test one. Test. So we can see that we have the same features available there, and our target is outcome. So let's use all the features. So now we have imported both the files. So this is our data and this is what we need to predict. Now creating a model is very easy in Orange. What you have to do is you have to just go to model, choose what algorithm you want to use. So let's use naive Bayes, drag and drop, connect this with this. So just double click, you can see that you are connecting the data with data as an input to naive Bayes. It will be automatically applied. Come down, go to evaluate, and you can see something called predictions here. So if you hover the mouse over prediction, you can see that okay, what are the inputs and outputs. So in this case, the input is data or predictors, and you can see the prediction as output. Let's drag and drop it here. So connecting the predictors, model predictors, and then the value which we need to predict. And hooray, you have the prediction ready, 1011, which is what we were looking for. So based on the new data, which is nothing but this, we can predict the outcome. So as we told, it is 1011. Now let's suppose you are not happy with neighbors or you want to try something else. So let's go with neural network. You just need to drag and drop neural network here, connect the data. You can change parameters like regularization or solver here. Connect the model with predictors. If you want to add one more, you can definitely do that. Let's say if you want to take logistic regression, drag and drop logistic regression. Let's connect the input and predict. So you can see that all three are predicting almost same stuff, but if you click on this icon where you can see the probabilities of each one of this, so you can see that there are slight change in probability. Now suppose if we want to test the, or if you want to evaluate the F1 score, precision, recall, or area under the curve, you can just drag and drop test and score just like we did for predictions. Connect the model and the input, and you can see the parameters here: which model, area under the curve, classification accuracy, F1 score, precision, and recall. Similarly, you can see the same for naive Bayes as well for neural network, and you can see the score for all three. Even you can compare the different parameters out here. So I think within couple of minutes we have already solved our classification problem. Now to save the model, what you have to do is, similarly you can go up to models, save model, drag and drop. If you're happy with the neural network model based on the test score or predictions, just drag, connect this with this. So basically model to model and save as to desired location. So you can automatically auto save this when receiving new data, so that it will be saved next time automatically. So this AC is to solve a classification problem or test different algorithms in Orange and to save the model. So try it out and let me know if you have any queries. Have a nice day. Bye.